Welcome to firstchineseherbs.com. Today our topic is Great Mender Teapills. Great Mender Teapills promote normal joint flexibility, support circulation, and reduce inflammation. What are Great Mender Teapills? They aid in the healing of bruising after an injury, reduce swelling, promote healing of broken bones, and help resolve torn ligaments and tissues. How to take a tea pill. Super simple. No brewing is necessary. Simply swallow with water just as you would any other pill. When do you take the Great Mender Teapills? Usually they are taken 15 minutes before a meal. But if your stomach is sensitive or have poor digestion, you may want to take them with a meal. Always consult your physician. Safety and quality. Each batch is tested for heavy metals and impurities. Cautions: as with all new supplements, do not use if nursing or pregnant. Always consult your physician before starting a new supplement to ensure there's no interaction with any medication that you may be on. Chinese pulse diagnostics may present themselves as normal, wiry, choppy, or tight. A Chinese tongue diagnostic may present itself as normal, pale, or purple. We do offer discounts when you purchase more than one bottle. First Chinese Herbs has a knowledgeable staff. We also offer free shipping at $40 or more. We ship by U.S. mail, and it's usually in your mailbox within 4 days or less. Thank you for listening to our information on the Great Mender Teapills. If you have further questions, contact us by chat, phone, or email, as we are here to help you. Your friends at First Chinese Herbs.